Okay, this is going to be how to modify your Xbox 360 remote control. All I'm doing is a little cardboard and some tape. So, all you do is like that. Then you get the actual tape, wrap it around. And it should turn out like that. Yeah. Just do an extra slide. An extra piece of tape. And it should work. Like that. Just works for every game. I'm gonna show you guys how to tape is not in this stick. Okay, I'm just gonna show you guys some of the online on an Xbox 360 remote. Set it up. Just get whatever you want to set it up with. Let's get some tape here. That. It's just a big trigger. I'm gonna show it to you guys on Call of Duty Black Ops. As you guys see, it's 2:47 in the morning. I'm just doing this because I got kind of bored, so I just learned how to modify my remote. I also customized my thumbsticks. You guys probably think you guys know the PS2 remote, like I'm not signed into Xbox Live, so I'm just gonna go to local and do some friends one, just do. Okay, just get whatever weapon you want. I'm gonna use this, attachments, whatever attachment you guys want, no matter what camo. Let's go with the fall. Let's go with some pistol. Just do it with the ZZ-12. Okay, just whatever map you guys want. 2019. Well, I'm going to show you guys my new modded controller I made. It's Red Tiger. I do have cool LED lights that don't even pop up. That's how cool it is. Just gonna show you guys it just shooting at a guy. It's actually faster than the little one, but if you guys want to just purchase it, you guys could just purchase it. This is how it fires. Simple rapid fire mod for like online and stuff. This is full auto. Just simple. And just go like that, or you could just go like that. There's an enemy. I'm just gonna go full auto on him. Well, yeah, just like, comment, subscribe. Hope you guys like this video. Yeah, I'm gonna do another montage how to open your Xbox 360 remote. So just kick back, relax, and just watch all my videos. Hope you guys do like them. Just like, comment, rate, and subscribe. Hope you guys like this. It's pretty cool, sick mod that I'll do. If you guys are anywhere near Miami, I'll do the mods for you guys for free. Any guys that are away from Miami, I'll do them for like 10-15 bucks plus shipping. So yeah, if you guys want to do them, I know how to do LED lights. So just contact me on my email. It'll be in the description. And yeah, bye.